Hello everyone, today I have a new recipe of sheer khurma. These all are the ingredients of our recipe. First of all, we have to take a pan and then add 2 liter milk in it and cook until it boils. Then we have to add 2 cardamom in milk. Meanwhile, take a pan and then add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee in it. Then add 10 to 12 dates cut in it. Then add 60 gram kaju. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 50 grams of almonds in it. Then add some saffron in the milk. Add fry nuts in the milk and mix well. Meanwhile, take a pan, then add again 2 tablespoons of desi ghee in it and then add 200 gram of savanya chopped in it. Then fry. When it's done and milk is boiled, then add saute savanya in it. Then cook until it's done. Now we have to add 1 cup sugar in it and mix well until sugar is melt in the mixture. Now it's ready to serve. Add some chopped almonds on the top for presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment for other videos. Enjoy your meal.